साधन अभिनिवेशज, और दूसरी है कृपा, प्रसाद जगह कृपा। भगवान अथवा भगवान भक्त की कृपा के द्वारा साधक के हृदय में भाव उत्पन्न होते हैं। अकस्मात किसी भी हृदय में ऐसे भावों की लक्षण दिखाई पड़े तब समझना चाहिए कि भगवान अथवा भगवत भक्त की उसी कृपा है। बहुत लोग देखा जाता है भजन साधन आदि इसमें करते ही नहीं है, किंतु अकस्मात उनके हृदय में इसी प्रभाव उत्पन्न हुआ।
Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Gurudev.
जन्म में देवी साधन किया।
So we have seen that in this world somebody doesn't perform the bhajan and sadhana. Still, by the mercy of Bhagwan, he has reflected their transcendental form. By the mercy of Bhagwan or Guru.
भगवान अथवा भगवान भक्त की कृपा से वो पुनः प्रकाशित हुए।
So by the mercy of Bhagwan and Bhagwan Bhakt, it is reflected once again. Just like the flaming fire, a burden of fire. So after sometimes what happens when the fire, destroy. So externally we can see it is destroyed, but internally there is a heat, something. So what happens when the winds blow? So that fire again burn. Getting? So sometimes what happens if somebody's heart, bhav has manifested in somebody's heart, so we can realize or we can anuman that he has performed bhajan and sadhana in his previous birth. So by the mercy of Bhagwan again, so all the our Tikakara has described about that too. That's why it is saying sadhan abhiniveshaja, by the sadhan and in this way, at the after the asakti he get the bhav, which is called the sadhan abhiniveshaja. So the without performing any sadhan, so the bhav manifested in the hearts of sadhak. So this is called the Shri Krishna Bhakta Prasadaja sadhan, or so when the bhav that suddenly arises without any sadhan is called Shri Krishna Prasadaja bhav or Shri Krishna Bhakta Prasadaja bhav. So Prasadaja bhav is rare. Generally the living entity attains sadhan aviniveshaja. Just like here few example was given, like the Shri Krishna Prasadaja bhav received by Krishna benedictions, his darshan, or by a revelation spurti within the heart. Srila Shukdev Goswami received bhav as a result of mercy manifesting in his heart. So that's why we are talking about the external forms, externals. There are 9, 7. 9. Sadaruchi. When bhava arises, the following 9 symptoms: forgiveness, Shama, forgiveness. So he gets the forgiveness. The mind will be stable. Vikriti, Avrita Kalatam. He doesn't waste his time. He always think about they continue do the Hari Bhajan. He always engage their mind in the Hari Bhajan. This is called Avyartha Kalatva. Virakti, a natural disaster from material sense enjoyment, is called Virakti, the detachment from the worldly enjoyments. The Manashunyata, pride arises from one's high worth, social class, stage of life, wealth, beauty, high position, and so on. So, Manashunyata is the condition in which the heart remains free from pride, even though one may have all these qualifications. So, after having these all kinds of symptoms, still he always keep away. He doesn't bother about the moral. Prabhuta Payo. Somebody gets the Prabhuta like the prestige. He develops some qualities and still he is not. So always boasting about that I am this and that. So that's why what happened. So when this bhav manifested in the heart, so he becomes so humble. Until Jeev is baddha. When Shri Krishna will bestow his mercy upon me. Yesterday we have discussed all these kathas. So I have given one by one example of Shanti. So when the cause of anger and the restlessness happen, still the sadhak is always keep and calm. Yes, first yes. Yes, yesterday I was giving the example of Vasishtha and Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra wanted to be Brahma Rishi, and Vasishtha told them that you cannot be Brahma Rishi. You are Raj Rishi. You are able to. You have the qualities or to be Raj Rishi. Because Raj Rishi. Because you doesn't have the quality to become Brahma Rishi. So whatever the qualities you have, so according to that you can be Raj Rishi. But what he said, what he did, Vishwamitra said that I Brahma Rishi. I would like to be Brahma Rishi. How is it possible? So what is the cause of what is the qualities or symptoms of to be Brahma Rishi, that he must have the quality like stable his mind, restless. His mind never gonna be disturbed. He's always stable. His mind doesn't get disturbed. Dukheshu. In the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying that what is the Brahma position, Brahma Sthiti. That somebody gets enter into the Brahma Sthiti, so his mind is stable. He doesn't get disturbed by any circumstances. In his heart, bhaya, krodh, the afraidness, anger, he doesn't have this kinds of vikar in his mind. He doesn't have attachment towards anything. He doesn't have fear in his mind. He doesn't have anger. These all are the qualities or symptoms we can see. When he is suffering, still he is not disturbed. Where many kinds of suffering comes in his life, his heart is not disturbed. when too much happiness comes, when he has got so much ingredients of material enjoyment, still he is stable. He doesn't have attachment towards that. This is all the symptoms of Brahma stage.
इसलिए
That's why
वशिष्ठ ऋषि ने कहा
Vashisht Rishi told that you are not able to be Brahma Rishi.
आप तो राजा हो,
You are a king.
ठीक है,
Okay,
आप राजपद में संभाल रहे
so you are taking care of Rajpad. You are taking care of the Rajpad. So that's why I can giving the
राजसी पद
designation of Raj Rishi Pad,
में तो ब्रह्मसी पद नहीं।
because I cannot give you Brahma Rishi.
तो उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया?
So what he did that time?
मारने के प्रयास किए।
See, he tried to. So he killed all the sons of Vishwamitra killed the Vashisht Muni's sons,
ये जब तक हमारे
because
जब तक रहेगा
until he is alive, I cannot be Brahma Rishi.
मिलेगा नहीं। है? इसलिए यहाँ पर भी
That's
एक
why
आदमी क्या करने लगे?
what he did at the night,
घर के बाहर आके खड़े
he was at the house of outside of the house of Vashisht Rishi, and he thought that when they will sleep, so I will broke the door and will go to the enter there and will kill Vashisht Rishi. So at the time, Vashisht Rishi's wife Arundhati,
एक के साथ के विरोध करके क्या होगा? इस पे विचार कर दो। है?
that what is the need to be against him? You can give them upadhi like that, the designation that you are Brahma Rishi, because he has killed all of our sons. So what is the need to be against that? Huh? Against him. So what Vashisht Rishi said? Oh no, how can I give him this kind of designation?
फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट
I cannot give him the fake certificate.
फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट होता है।
You know that there are many kinds of for the fake certificate. Many people used to go to school, but what they give the money or bribe and they get the fake certificate,
फिर वो चले जाते हैं।
and they go to army and somewhere else.
आज समझ गए?
Do you know this?
देखो आर्मी में इस समय पे इतना
Because
ये नहीं करते, वो तो सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए।
in this army there was no much checking, cross checking. They just need the certificate only.
फिजिकल
In army they just need the free. They always give the preference to physically fit person. So they don't see the cross check that he is actually able, or he has the fake certificate or original certificate.
बना देते हैं। 10 क्लास 12 क्लास की
So
फर्जी सर्टिफिकेट बना
high school or the 10th standard or 12th standards, they make the fake certificate and presented it to the officers. So in the same way, Vashisht said that look, Vishwasri doesn't have the forgiveness, he doesn't have this quality, so that's why I cannot give him the designation of Brahma Rishi. But if he had developed this quality in his heart, Arundhati.
विश्वामित्र बाहर
Okay, so this katha was hearing by Vishwamitra. Both the conversation, husband-wife conversation, was listening by the Vishwamitra. He was outside at the home, and he was listening the conversation.
और ये भी दे क्या लोग थोड़ी मान लेंगे?
So he was thinking like that. Then he came to the Vashisht Rishi and asked that they take the shelter in the feet of Vashisht Rishi and said, "Please forgive me."
तब उस समय
At that time,
वशिष्ठ ऋषि ने
Vashisht Rishi forgave him.
उसे शांति पाई।
This is called the Shanti.
शांति के लक्षण
These are the symptoms of Shanti. That one must be forgive. They have the nature of forgiveness. And I told you the story of Amrish Maharaj yesterday.
ये देखो दुराचार इसको जला
That when Dhritarashtra Rishi tried to kill him or burn him, but Amrish Maharaj, what he didn't say even a single word. He didn't say.
ना भगवान के लिए बोले ये मेरे रक्षक हो। दुर्वासा ऋषि उनको जलाने के लिए
Amrish Rishi or Durvasha Rishi?
अपनी प्रकट करते हैं।
And what happened? The Durvasha Rishi presented Kritya by his jata. So what happened? So Vishnu Chakra came and killed the Kritya that time. And what happened? And the Sudarshan Chakra returned back was chasing to Durvasha. And Durvasha was wandering here and there, and he went to Brahmalok and the Brahm to Kailash, and the Shivji said, "Oh, I cannot save you. You can go and Vaikunth Bhagwan." And in the Vaikunth Bhagwan, Vishnu said, "No, I cannot save you. You go to Amrish Maharaj. Only he can help you." Then he came to Amrish Maharaj. Then Amrish Maharaj, and seeing that Amrish Maharaj was doing dandavat to him, pranam to him. So at that time Durvasha said, "Ayam hi drashtva." Today I have seen. So Bhagwan, so the Bhagwan Anantadas, you know. So they have the nature of forgiveness. Leaving Vaishnav, accepting Vaishnav, doesn't have the quality of forgiveness. So if you want to be Vaishnav, then you have to be very shanti. That you develop the forgiveness in your heart. Durvasha Rishi was saying, today I have seen that. So who are the Das of Vishnu's Ananta Hari? They have this quality. They are very kind. They are very humble. So Durvasha Rishi was repented that time. He was so much repented. So this was showing was Amrish Maharaj, that how he has a forgiveness in his heart. He is very kind. Then I told you about the Chitraketu or Vittasur. Chitraketu, yes. When he was doing laughing and joking with Shivji, and at that time Parvati caused him that you will get the demon's body in your next birth, and then he became Vitrasur. Yes, I told you the story yesterday. Huh? Chitraketu Maharaj was not so inferior. He was not ordinary. He is the disciple of Sankarshan. He is not ordinary. And he is Mahabhagavat. And he was like Ubhachari everywhere presented. But he wanted, if he wanted, then he can curse back to Parvati. And he can stop the curse of Parvati, that I cannot accept. I am not accepting your curse. But he accepts that very easily. This is called the Ksamagun, the forgiveness. Chitraketu Maharaj is an example of that. And after that, I told you the example, the Nityanand Prabhu Katha stories. How Nityanand Prabhu, he is very humble and merciful. Jagai Madai, both the drinker, on both of them, you know how Nityanand Prabhu mercy upon them. By the mercy of Nityanand Prabhu, so Nityanand Prabhu was beaten by the pot by Jagai Madai, but still they forgive. And when this news came to Mahaprabhu, so Mahaprabhu was so much angry, and he appeared his Vishnu Chakra and he wanted to kill them. He said that you have beaten Nityanand Prabhu. So at that time he manifested the Sudarshan Chakra, and then what happened? Then Nityanand Prabhu stopped him. "Oh Prabhu, so when you were standing in this world, so you take an oath that I won't take any weapons in this incarnation." Ram and other incarnation. In this Gaur Avatar, you have taken an oath that I won't take any weapon. So by you will distribute the love by the name Astra, weapons of Harinam. So how merciful Nityanand Prabhu is. He didn't manifested the Krodh. He was not anger. That's why he is calling Akrodha Paramanand. Nityananda Prabhu saying this. But seeing them, only just seeing me was chant the holy name of Gaur and you can buy me. How merciful Nityananda Prabhu is. Who has got the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, he can get everything. This is why Nityananda Prabhu is so merciful. He is called so merciful. Nitai Padakamal Koti Chandra Shushitala. Nitai Pada. So this is the causeless mercy of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu becomes so humble, and every door to door he is distributing. Every door to door he is saying, "Hey Mata, hey mothers, hey sister, hey brothers, please chant the Gaur Hari, chant the Krishna name." And so what the responsibility of liberated from these words I am taking. I am taking the responsibility to liberate you from this word. Ki Jai. Hey Nityananda Prabhu. Hey merciful Nityananda Prabhu. Please mercy. Then I told you about the Parikshit Maharaj Katha. Shringi, sorry. Samrishi sang Shringi, causative. That after 7 days, snakes will come and bite you. But Parikshit Maharaj was stable that time. His mind was not disturbed. He was stable. And what happened? He said, "Oh Abhagya, very fortune that I will hear the Bhagavad Katha on 7 days." That's why what he did. So what is privation? He left eating and sleeping, and he sit on Katha Pandal, and he was hearing the Hari Katha. And Sukdev Goswami Pad, the speaker, he was telling him all the Bhagavad Katha. So I told you this Katha yesterday. So now I told you about the Avyartha Kalatva, means how our Goswami were used to live, staying in Vrindavan, and he was performing bhajan and sadhan. Every day and night they were staying at one tree to one tree, another tree. So they all was 24 hours they were engaging themselves. 24. 48. 24 minutes. There is one done that is 24 minutes. And then, and in this fourth dand, he used to take sleep. 24 duni, 48 duni, 96. It means only just 1.5 hours. They used to sleep. So when they used to sleep, so in the night they used to, they were serving in the Radha and Krishna in the dreams. And they used to write that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Leelas, sometimes Radha Krishna Leelas, Sankhya Purvak Nam Gan. They used to chant number rounds. They used to complete their rounds daily. They never wasted their times. Virakti, a natural distaste for material sense enjoyment, is called Virakti, the detachment. Just like it was an example given by Raghunath Das Goswami. So since the childhood of Raghunath Das Goswami, he was not attracted toward the sense enjoyments. He was so much detached from all these things.
उसके पिताजी के कितने
His father has so much possessions and property, but still, Mr. Govardhan Bhatt, Govardhan, his father was Govardhan. He was so much rich person.
देखो
Look,
इतने धन संपत्ति होने पर
he has so much possessions, but still Raghunadas Goswami,
इसी तरह से उसके मन
he is no, he was not, he doesn't have any kinds of attachment towards the sense enjoyments. And since the childhood, he got the association of Haridas Thakur since his childhood, because Haridas Thakur, he came to his house usually.
महाजन की संगति
So he was getting the Mahat Sant association. That's why he was getting so much taste in Nam, Harinam. Raghunath Das Goswami has. So this is the characteristics of Raghunath Das Goswami.
और अपने गुरु का रख भी किया
And he,
गुरु के क्या नाम है
Raghunath Das Goswami,
गुरुनंदन
Acharya, yeah, his school guru.
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी
So Raghunath Das Goswami's guru is Yadunandan Acharya. He took the Diksha from Yadunandan Acharya. Yadunandan Acharya.
करके
And he was again, he was leaving home, he's again and again and going to Vrindavan and Jagannath Puri.
उसके पिता माता ने किया कि
But what his Pita Mata did, forcefully they got married to him by a beautiful girl.
देखने बहुत सुंदर
So she was very beautiful, very pretty,
सराय
just like Apsara of the heaven.
संपत्ति
He had so much position.
पत्नी भी कैसे
And the wife was so beautiful.
पत्नी सुशीला
Sushila, very nice, beautiful.
देखने में सुंदर ही बहुत
She was very beautiful.
इंद्र समा वैश्चर्य
He has Aishwarya like Indra and a wife like Apsara. So after getting her, still he has left everything. Raghunath Das Goswami has left everything
जगन्नाथपुरी में
and went to Jagannath Prabhu, and he is staying with Mahaprabhu there.
उसे कहते हैं
That's why it is saying
संसार विषय में सामूहिक विरक्ति
this is called a natural distance for material sense enjoyment. It's called Virakti.
इसी प्रकार
Then Manashunyata, pride arises from one's high birth, social class, stage of life, wealth, beauty. Then Ashabandhu, to apply one's mind.
नाम कृष्ण ब्राह्मण कुल में बिहारी कुल में जन्म हो गया है समस्त प्रकार की गुण
Manashunyata, that Param Gurudev, our Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he got the birth in the Brahman family and he was a high class officer. He was police. He had so much possession and property, but
विद्या बल सब
everything he has, he was educated, but he had left everything and he took the shelter of Param Gurudev Sri Keshav Goswami Maharaj. This is called the Manashunyata. This is the example. Now Asha Bandhu,
कृष्ण मुझ पर अवश्य ही
that when Krishna will vest his mercy upon me, so Shri Krishna will surely vest his mercy upon me, is called Asha Bandhu. To apply one's mind very diligently to bhajan with this firm faith that Shri Krishna will surely bestow his mercy upon me, is called Asha Bandhu.
आशा भरी सिंधु मई कथंचित भालो माया विचरितम कील संप्रतम
Tvam chet kripamai
नैव किन्मे
praniravesha vararo. Raghunath Das Goswami.
श्रीमती राधिके मेरी आशा
ओ ब्रो,
प्राप्त करने कराने की भांति अपनी
O Baroru Radha, it is as rare to fulfill my hope as it is to attain an ocean of nectar, but I pass my days
अब तो मुझ दुखियों के पर
greatly longing to fulfill it. Now you must give mercy to this poor, unhappy person. What to speak on my life? Everything, my residing in Braj and even my service to Krishna is useless without your mercy. So Raghunath Das Goswami is crying and saying at the Radha Kund bank, he was scrambling there, and he is saying to Radharani's feet, Asha Bandiramrita, I have just only one desire in my life. Hey Baroru, hey Shrimati Radhike. Baroru means, do you know what is the Baroru means? Var mane whose thigh is just like a banana tree. His thigh is so beautiful, just like a banana. You have seen the banana trees? So it is. It is from the starting. It is very big, and then from upwards it's going very small. So just like he is saying that your thigh. Hey Bhagwan. Have you seen that example of was example given was the elephant's tongue? Kalindra Sindhu. Unin Vrind Vandite Lok Shokaharani. He is comparing that his thigh is like elephant's tongue, because from starting it is big and then getting small, and the thigh is big and is getting small. So that's why you have so much Baroru thighs. Baroru means Shrestha, Ruru means thigh. I will ask. कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम दंडिके कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम करेंद्र शुंद दंडिका
जिनके कोटि प्रदेश मणिमय किंकिणी के सुशोभित है, जिसमें सोने के रत्नों से जुड़े हुए लटक रहे हैं, तथा उनकी प्रशंसा झंकार अतिशय मनोहर है।
अरे क्या
की सूर्य के समान जिनकी जंघाएं अत्यंत सुंदर है।
Whose size is so beautiful, just like a elephant's tongue. So beautiful. That's Radhika. When she will bestow upon me, her mercy upon me. गुरुदेव थाइस से कैसे एग्जाम्पल, मतलब थोड़ा थाइस और ट्रंक का एग्जाम्पल कैसे, मतलब जस्ट लाइक that. Yes. The banana trees from downwards to upwards is. So when you know ulta नहीं बोलते हैं, opposite that, so that it becomes like a thigh of Srimati Radhakarani. From upwards to downward it's getting big, is smaller to big, it's getting smaller to big. And the same way he's saying, like just banana trees and the thighs is comparing here, just like elephant's tongues is. Baroru. It's because Radharani has beautiful thighs. That's why he is saying, "Oh, beautiful! Oh, you are having so beautiful thighs." That's why I am. Var means the topmost, the Shrestha. whose uru, whose thighs are so much beautiful. That's why her name is Barorari, who has beautiful thighs. That's why her name. Hey Baroru, Shiradhe. It is a rare to fulfill my hope. It is to attain an ocean of nectar. I have just only one desire in my life. Hope in my life, that how will I get your mercy? When you will bestow your mercy upon me. I will wait for. So I will pass my days greatly longing to fulfill it. I will wait for your mercy and I will stay at Radhakund. I just want when I will get your mercy, when you will bestow your mercy upon me. Without your mercy, I don't need, except your mercy, I don't need anything. Vakarinapi. If your Prana Priyatam Krishna came to me and tell, hey Raghunath, I cannot see your Vairagya, I am doing mercy upon you. Then Raghunath Swami is saying, hey Krishna, I don't need your mercy. I just need only Radharani mercy. Except if you mercy after Radharani's mercy, pehle chahiye. If you mercy after Radharani, so I can accept your mercy, but first I need the Radharani mercy. He has deep firm faith towards Radharani's feet. So every Goswami, by his one quality, has established one things. They have established one things there, like Raghunath Goswami established. She has one pointed nishtha towards Radharani's feet. Ekantiki, one pointed. So all Sad Goswami says, but still, it is shown by the highest by Raghunath Goswami. This is incredible. He has incredible nishtha towards Radharani. He is one pointed. He never been everywhere, left Radhakund. He was staying at Radhakund every time. So he had a just desire that I will die at the Radhakund bank. I won't take anything which is not belongs to Vraj. What Raghunath Goswami used to do, he just take to one cup charge, the mattha, the buttermilk. So one old man, he used to give 1 cup of matha to Raghunath Goswami, and he used to take that buttermilk only. So one day that Brajvasi, so that this is a small cup, so I will take a big one. So he took a big pot and gave to Raghunath Goswami. And Raghunath Goswami asked that you always used to take a small cup, then why? How you bring this big one? So he said, before drinking that buttermilk, that he asked to that old man that you always bringing a small one, then why are you bringing this big one? Okay, he said that I went to Sakhistali. So he said I went to Sakhistali, the Chandravali's place. Sakhistali. So I went to Sakhistali at Chandravali's place. At that Sakhistali I saw there are big spots. So I bring that. So hearing this, Raghunath Swami, he left. He took a stick in his hand and began to beat that Brajvasi, that old man. So you said that you went to Chandravali's place, Sakhistali. So you have suffered my Shrimati Radhika Rani. That Chandravali,
राधा जी क्या माना जाता है?
she is against
राइवल माना जाता है, प्रतियोगी माना जाता
a rival.
है, हाँ?
What rival?
राइवल प्रतियोगी।
She is opposite the Pratidwandi. What is Pratidwandi? Please tell.
सभी से
So you are against of Chandramukhi. What is his name? Chandravali. Chandramali is opposite to Radhika Rani. That's why I won't take this charge. And he was started to beating. And Raghunath Das Goswami took an oath that I won't take anything which is not belongs to Viraj. I will only accept the things which is belongs to Viraj. He has deep nishtha towards Radha Kunda. O Nitai Gaura Premanande Hari Hari Bo. This is especially the characters of Raghunath Das Goswami. This Radha Kunda is Radharani herself. He don't want to go anywhere except Radha Kunda. So we have seen the many Goswamis has different place of Bhajan Sthalis, but Raghunath Das Goswami has only one place, Radha Kunda. He never went to left Radha Kunda. He never went anywhere. He stayed in Jagannath Puri with Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu disappeared, after that he stayed in Vrindavan. He stayed in Radha Kunda. And then staying here, he performed bhajan sadhana. Day and night he was day and night thinking about Mahaprabhu and Radharani. Hearing this and see the weeping or crying of Raghunath Das Goswami. And Rupa Goswami Pad wrote a granth, which name was. So reading this granth, Raghunath Das Goswami started so much crying. Sanatan Goswami Pad. So he said, Rup, which granth you have given to him? He is crying more and more. His separation mode is increasing now. He is weeping too much. Which granth you have given to him? Vilap Kusmanjali. Granth name was I knew. Which is written by Rupa Goswami Pad. Then he took back that granth, Vidagdha Madhav Grantha. So hearing, reading that granth, he was so much pleased. And then Raghunath Das Goswami, just like Rupa Goswami Granth, he wrote another granth, which his name was I Know. It is related to Braj, which is written by Rupa Goswami Pad. Anybody knows? Can tell? So this is in this way Raghunath Das Goswami showed the unflinching faith, the one-pointed nishtha towards Radharani feet. He showed to the world. And then Samatkuntha. Samatkuntha means too much eagerness, intense longing to attain one's desired object is called Samatkuntha. This kinds of eagerness is shown in the prayer of Vitrasur. Utkanta, the eagerness, without that you cannot live. So, intense longing to attain one's desired object is called Samatkuntha. So, attaining one's desired object, Abhishta Vastu. So, which is the deep रूप जैसे बेकार रूप, that is called Samatkantha.
जैसे संसार के लोग
Just like in this world, the people, they are the materialistic person.
ईश्वर प्राप्ति करने के लिए
They
कितने उपकरण दिए।
So they are so much eager to get these material things and
धन
sense.
आदि प्राप्ति के लिए धन कमाना कम धन
श्री स्तववली जो रघुनाथ गोस्वामी ने श्री स्तववली रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी जी ने श्री स्तववली रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी जी ने लिखा था, रूप गोस्वामी ने ग्रंथ स्तववली नहीं, स्तववली नॉट, डिफरेंट वन. Okay, I will tell you. Let me remember.
समतकंठा में आ रहे हैं उत्कंठा
Samatkantha the eager.
उसके बिना जजमेंट का
Without that, ones cannot do it. Just like the
विषय के लिए
materialist person, they all
दान के लिए कोमल
दान के लिए कौमुदी,
है
दान के लिए कौमुदी.
दान के लिए गोस्वामी पाद बोलेगा दान के लिए
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी written
और रघुनाथ उसमें लिखा दान के लिए
कौमुदी.
नहीं उन्होंने लिखा दान के लिए तो ये क्या दान के लिए चिंता
दान के लिए चिंतामणि. Yes.
और दो मतलब एक रघुनाथ उसमें का
One is written by Raghunath Das Goswami. So which one is Rup Goswami Path? दान के लिए.
दान के लिए कोमल
Okay.
और
And
दान के लिए
Chintamani, it is written by Raghunath Das Goswami. Thank you, Taruni Didi.
हाँ। इसलिए कार्य देखो
So that's why it is saying
समतकंठा में
Samatkanta, the higher eagerness without, just like the example is given that the people who was enjoying the sense material, enjoyments, the people who wants to get the objects of these material things for sense enjoyments, they are so much eager towards that. If somebody doesn't have the sons and daughters, so what they do? They do so much worship of demigods. They used to go at so many temples.
मेरे एक बेटा प्राप्त
I would like to get one son. They have this kinds of eagerness,
है कि नहीं? जैसे वो क्या लिखा है
just like
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
Atmadev Brahman.
है भागवत महापुराण
In the Bhagavad, Atmadev Brahman,
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
Atmadev Brahman
तुंगभद्रा नदी के तट पर
at the bank of Tungabhadra bank,
है वैदिक ब्राह्मण
there was a Vedic Brahman who was so much rich. Atma, he was so much rich,
वो सुखी नहीं थे
but he was not happy because he doesn't have any son.
पुत्र नहीं था है क्या मतलब वर्णन करेंगे
It is described in the Bhagavad
सारे
Mahatma.
देव देवी की पूजा
So he worshipped all the Devis, demigods and demigoddesses, that I would like to get one son. He spent so much money, but he didn't get any son.
है पुत्र मुझे चाहिए बस
So I need only one son, nothing
एक
else.
संत महात्मा पधारे
Then a Sant Mahatma came,
देख करके वो फुट
seeing him,
रोने लगे
seeing then Sant Mahatma, he was crying, and Sant Mahatma said, "Oh, what happened? What are you? Why are you crying?"
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण ने
Then
कहा
Atmadev Brahman said, "I have so much possession and wealth, but still I don't have any sons.
ब्राह्मण की
I got a birth in the highest family, in the Brahman family.
है लेकिन मुझे एक पुत्र चाहिए
But I need a son.
है
I want a son."
और
And then
पुत्री कालक तो संत महात्मा
the Trikalak Sant Mahatma said, "Arey look,
ये जन्म पुत्र की बात छोड़ देते सप्त जन्म नहीं बनेगा
so you are thinking about the son in this birth. You won't get the putra, the son in this next 7 birth. You won't get the son in next, because in your karma, in your prarabdha, there's a restraint that in this birth, no, not the 7 birth.
जन्म तक में
In the next 7 birth, you got any son.
और भी उसको
And he was started crying lot and more. He was
माने उनके
next 7 birth, yes,
पुत्र चाहिए बस
he won't get the son, according to the Sant Mahatma.
हो गया पुत्री भी मिल गया
And he got the wife, he got the position, but now he want a son. And Mahatma said no. So by the Dibya Drishti I saw that not in this world, neither in the 7 birth you have any son.
जन्म तक सात जन्म के बाद आठवां जन्म में
So after 7 birth, in the 8th birth you will get a son. hearing this katha, hearing these views, Atmadev Brahman, he started crying. He was crying a lot, and he was. What is that? Kartum akurtum anyatra samadhya samartha Bhagwan. Acha. Who is Bhagwan? So the things which is not in your fortune he can provide, and the things which is in your fortune he can destroy. He is Bhagwan. That's why Sant Mahatma ke Hey Bhagwan. Bhagwan do anything. So whatever is happening in your life, so it is all the wish of Bhagwan. Shishti, Stri, Pralay, Sadhan, everything is, it's happening according to the Bhagwan wish. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. Is it not or not? Yes. So Sant Mahatma, he has a power that they can make a change in your life. Sant Mahatma is also called Ashray Bhagwan. Sant Mahatma is called the Ashray Bhagwan. Guru is Ashray Bhagwan. Guru Vaishnava is called Ashray Bhagwan. And Vishnu is called Vishnu Bhagwan, Vishu Bhagwan, Vishaya Bhagwan. So, Atmadev Brahman, he hold the feet of Sant Mahatma and he was crying there. He had just eagerness, a desire that I just need a son. And Sant Mahatma said, not in this birth, in next 7 births you won't get any son. So until 7 births you won't get any son. He had an eagerness that I want a son anyhow. So he said, Sant Mahatma, please provide me a son. Please give me a benediction that I can get a son. So he was beating his head. And so Atmadev Brahman, so seeing the eagerness of getting son and seeing the cryingness of that Sant Mahatma's heart melted. And he said, okay. So in the 8th birth you got a son, so I am giving you right now, because this is a power. Sant Mahatma have this kinds of power. So because it is a power Sant Mahatma that he doesn't get any son till 7th birth, but Sant Mahatma has this power. So what he did, he gave the fruit of 8th birth in this birth. So the son he will get in the 8th birth. So what he did, Sant Mahatma has the power that child you can get in this birth, because in this birth you don't have the benediction art vision, because you will get the son in the 8th birth. So that's why, so the fruit of that 8th janma, 8th birth, he has given in this birth. This is the power of Sant Mahatma. So he given a fruit and put mantra in that. So he gave to Atmadev and said that please give it to your wife. So he gave Dhundali. So after that what happened? The Patni's wife name is beautiful, Dhundali. Very beautiful name, Dhundali, who is always making dhund. Just like a storm, Andi Tufan, it's called dhund. So she is like a Dhundali. Atmadev, wife's name was Dhundali. How was she? She was very, 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 very dhundli. At the husband, he was pretending to be very nice, deep, simple, sober. When husband gone out from the house, so she always used to fight with the neighbors. She was very, very dhundli. She was very, very fightful nature. She has so much cruel.
दे दिया।
Atmadev Brahman gave this fruit to Dundali,
तो मन मन विचार
and she was thinking in mind,
ये फल खाने से बेटा
is it possible that I can get a son by eating this? There are many fruits in the tree.
फल है कि नहीं?
There are many fruits in the trees.
तो फल खाने से थोड़ी बेटा
Is it
होता है।
possible to get a son by eating fruit? Sant Mahatma just very ravishing all. In this Kali Yuga, nobody trusts on Sant Mahatma in this Kali Yuga.
संत महात्मा
There are many Sant Mahatma came and are staying. They are in the prison. Many Sant Mahatma in the Kali Yuga are in the prison, and he is also Sant Mahatma. He is just also useless. Is it possible that if by eating of fruit that you got a son? So there are many trees. There are many fruits in the trees. So eating by the monkeys and they got the child.
रहता है मांस कंट्री
Yes, barren.
वो भी तो फल खाती है।
So the barren lady, she also used to
है मंत्र मंत्र क्या है?
take fruit, but still she is not getting any son. Why? It's just useless.
फिर मनी मनी की संख्या भी उत्पन्न होने लगी। यदि हो गया तो ये देखो
The lady who got
एक तो सोच रहे संत महात्मा में विश्वास नहीं है, मंत्री पर
No,
विश्वास
she
नहीं।
doesn't get pregnant soon.
फिर दुविधा में भी
पांच,
विचार
बारह।
करने लगे। अच्छा ये संत महात्मा ने फल दिया तो निश्चित होगा।
Okay,
यदि
so
हो गया तो
so she was thinking in her mind only that maybe this
हो गया
this fruit is given by the Sant Mahatma. So maybe if I get a son by this, so
कि वो धुंधली है।
So what Dhundli did,
खाने वाली।
because Dhundli was eating, she was so much eating spicy.
इधर उधर भी खाने।
She always used to take fruit from here and there from markets.
और मैं ये गर्भवती
And
हो गई,
and if I get pregnant,
तो चटपटी फटपटी
then I want to stop eating this spicy food,
पेट बड़ा हो
and I will get a so big belly.
नहीं पाएंगे।
I cannot walk, and
ना कहीं चोट लेके दांत पे मारपीट करके
maybe the dacoits come and kill me and me beaten me, so they can kill me too. So she was thinking this kinds of things was coming in his mind.
या तो भी 6 महीने कितने महीने तक 9 महीने तो ठीक से सो नहीं पा।
So she said that until 9 months I cannot sleep properly. So many kinds of suffering I have to suffer.
ऐसे विचार कर।
So she was thinking like that.
इसलिए उन्होंने विचार करने
So
की फल को क्या करें?
what she thought that what to do with this fruit.
आत्मदेव पतिदेव तो मुझे फल दे
The Atmadev Patidev husband has given this fruit to me, and he said that by eating this fruit you will be pregnant,
बेकार थोड़ी है।
because it's not goes to the waste, because this Sith Mahatma has given this fruit to me.
ये हुए फल
It's not useless. So she was thinking like that. So what to do? So what she did, there was a sister. She called her. She has a sister. She called her. Then she said that Sant Mahatma given this fruit to my husband. So now what to do with this fruit?
हम तो गर्भवती हो जाए।
So if I get this fruit, so I will be pregnant. And if I want it, then
तो ये फल तो क्या करें?
then what to do with this fruit?
तो ये
So her sister was saying, the who is very far relation's sister, that I have got pregnant. I have got pregnant 1.5 months is passed on. So now do one thing, give me some money.
मेरे बालक जन्म देने के
So
सब रात को
when I will give the birth my child, so I will give that child to you.
अपने पेट में जो है
You can tie a cloth in your stomach.
कपड़ा बंद करके रखो, लोग दिखाने के लिए।
So for the people, showing to the people that I am pregnant. When husband come into the house, so when he will see that, oh, you have eaten the fruit of which is given by the Sant Mahatma, and now you are getting pregnant.
ऐसे वो कर
So she was saying like that.
मुझे ढंग दिखाना। और वो फल तो
She was pretending to be pregnant, and what she did,
जो गाय जो है
so that fruit she has given to the cow who was staying in his house, in her house.
फिर संत महात्मा
And then Sant Mahatma, because the Sant Mahatma given the fruit, so it will not go waste.
संत महात्मा होते हुए
For the Siddha Sant Mahatma,
दिव्य मंत्र फल जो है
so the fruit which is given by the Sant Mahatma will not go waste. So what happened? So the guy got pregnant. The cow got pregnant, and everybody everywhere there's a preaching like the news spread
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
that Atmadev Brahmans, देखो look at the fortune of Atmadev Brahman.
कितने दिन तक उनके घर के गाय भी बच्चा नहीं देती।
So it has been a long time that there was a cow was not giving birth any child. Now the cow got
और उसके पुत्री भी गर्भवती।
pregnant, and his wife also. Everybody, the news is spread everywhere. Everybody was thinking like that. Oh, everybody said. So whenever Bhagwan give to everybody, give a lot. It is called a proverb in Hindi. Bhagwan जब भी देते छप्पर फाड़ के.
पुत्री भी गर्भवती हो गई।
So wife as well as cow, both are pregnant.
संत महात्मा के लिए फल गाय को खिलाया, गाय भी गर्भवती।
The fruit was given to the cow, and now cow got pregnant. So after 9 months, guy will give the birth a child.
कैसे बच्चा दिया?
He was just like a cow की तरह. The cow gave a birth was just like a human body. Only there was his eyes, his ears was Gokarna. His eyes was like cows. Oh, sorry, ears. His ears was like a cow.
ठीक उसी दिन रात को
And what happened at the same night?
और वो
Dundli sisters, she also got gave the birth of a child. So they exchange. They gave the child to the Dundli's lap,
लोग प्रचार कर दिया।
and everybody is preaching. There was a news spread everywhere that Dundli gave a birth to a child,
बच्चा जन्म दिया और
and cow has given a birth to a child, and Dundli also given a birth to a child.
बच्चा को क्या क्या नाम रखा गया?
Dundakari.
धुंधुकार।
So the Dundli's child's name was Dundakari, as per my mother's name.
धुंधुली से हो
Dundakari,
गया
because
धुंधुकार ही।
his child names become Dundakari. Dundakari. And the cow's name, child's Gokarna.
ये आपको ब्राह्मण पावर पसंद है।
And sings that the time was passing on, and the
गोकर्ण और धुंधुकार
Atmadev nourishing the child.
इन दोनों के स्वभाव अलग है।
But you can see the difference between both behavior.
कृपा से जो संतान प्राप्त हुई
So the Santan was gave birth by the mercy of the Sant Mahatma, by the cow. Gokarna became a Divya Mahatma. He was very saintly person.
भाव भाव चलन
Huh?
बिल्कुल
Far.
देवताओं के भांति संत
He- So the Gokarna was looking like he has some
अभी अल्प दिन में गोकर्ण
demigod's quality.
पड़ गया।
And in the very early age, Gokarna has read in all the scriptures. He has read all this Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everything.
दैव सारी गुण उसमें आ गए।
And he got all the Divya Gun, like qualities, very nice, good qualities.
धुंधु
And Dundakari,
गुण बिल्कुल
Rakshas, he was totally against. He was totally against Gokarna. He was dacoit, thief.
छच्चर लच्चर
He was Lampat. Sorry, not Lampat. He was very bad boy. He has so many bad qualities. He was telling lie always.
स्कूल में जाती हुई छोटे छोटे बच्चा है जब
When he used to go to school, when he was very little, when a child, what he used to do, he used to beat the child. He take a knife in his hand, and everybody's stomach he can took anybody's stomach, you know, knife. He used to take a knife and put anybody's stomach, any child. He was so rascal. He was so rakshas. He was like a
लड़की के साथ
demons. He used to do bad behavior with the girls.
देखो दोनों के स्वभाव
So the both behaviors were different. Gokarna and Dundakari, they were totally opposite.
और ये नहीं है
Even
ऐसे करते करते धुंधुकार जब और भी थोड़ा बड़ा
so, when he grew up and he become young, 14-15 years old,
की पिटाई करने लगे
he used to beat his father Atmadev, or le lo son, or pita le lo.
हैं?
He said, give me money, give me money.
शराब पीना
He used to drink liquor.
विस्तार के साथ रहना
He used to live with a prostitute.
चर्चा बन गई
So this is the whole,
बिना प्रश्न
so
चोरी डकाती करना शुरू कर
so he started stealing, thieving. So he started beating his father,
और
and he was asking for more money.
पिताजी पिटाई करने लगे गोबर पिताजी क्या नाम है
Atmadev.
आत्मदेव
Atmadev.
हाँ? अच्छे देते हैं।
So he was,
इसको देख
अच्छी
करके
तरह, he was beating very nicely to his father.
कहने लगे,
अच्छी तरह. And seeing that,
मैं
Atmadev said,
क्यों संत महात्मा
why
को
should I
पास
ask the benediction of this son to Sant Mahatma?
चलो गोकर्ण तो अच्छा है,
And Gokarna is very nice because he is very nice.
ये पुत्र जो है
But this rascal is very bad.
धुंधली के मेरा पुत्री से जो पुत्र हुई,
The
ये
child,
इतना दुष्ट है,
you know, came from the Dhundli. He is very, very rascal.
क्या करें?
What to do now?
है?
Is it okay now?
एक दिन आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
And one day, Atmadev
अपने
Brahman,
बेटा
his son,
गोकर्ण के कहने लगे,
Gokarna, he said to his son Gokarna, you know every Shastra scriptures.
मेरे जीवन के कर्तव्य के बारे में कुछ सुनाओ।
Please tell me something about my duties, that what to do now. At that time,
गोकर्ण
Gokarna
कहने लगे,
said, hey, Father, please listen. What to do? What should
ये पिता आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण इस तरह करने पुत्र करना कि मोह छोड़ करके
Hey Father, please listen.
आप वन में जाकर
Leaving the affection and the moh of the son and leave this place and go to Vrindavan and perform bhajan.
ये तो संसार में मोह है माता पिता जी।
Because there is just a moh in this world.
ये माया मोह के छोड़ करके
So leave this Maya moh.
आप
Go
वृंदावन में जाकर के
to Vrindavan
अथवा तीर्थ करने जाओ।
and any pilgrimage
भगवान श्री हरि के आराधना
and take and do the archana and aradhana and perform bhajan of Shri Hari. So he gave the updesh to instructions to his father. Hey Pita, hey Father, please listen. Please leave everything.
जीव अपने अपने कर्मफल के अनुसार आता है।
So according to the karma fal, Jeev came in this world.
और कर्मफल अपने अपने भोग करके
So he always, he always suffer with his getting the karma fruit of his birth.
इस प्रकार गोकर्ण पिता के
So in this way, Gokarna,
यानी आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण के अति सुंदर
to his father Atmadev, he was giving so beautiful instruction to his father.
उस कथा को सुन करके
Hearing
आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण
this katha, Atmadev Brahman,
घर छोड़ करके
he left his house
वृंदावन
and went to Vrindavan.
भगवान के
And
तीर्थ कर्म
and
में
and,
जाकर के
and to Vrindavan and in pilgrimage he went away. So he was performing bhajan and bhajan sadhan
उस
there.
समय
So at that time,
गोकर्ण भी देखा
Gokarna saw
है? मेरे पिताजी से चले गए
my
और
father has went away
मेरे
now.
भाई
My brother Dundukari is very rascal.
ऐसे औसत के
He's,
साथ रहने
so how can I stay with this person?
इसलिए उन्होंने के
So
लिए
that's why what he
गोकर्ण
did, Gokarna,
संसार छोड़
he
करके
left this
जाति
world
के भांति
just like his father
वन की ओर
and went towards forest
भजन करने।
and he started for performing
अब घर
bhajan.
में कौन रहा?
Now,
धुंधकारी और उनकी
and who is
माँ।
staying at house Dundukari and his mother Dundali.
धुंधकारी हर रोज
Dundukari every day at that time midnight 12 p.m. or 1 a.m. and he used to make so much noise because he has he drink the alcohol. Who used to drink, he is just like a mad. He used to drink the alcohol and making a noise in the Mathura Math. Maybe you know there was a Punjabi. He was in army. He used to work in army. He was retired from army.
तो उसे कहीं उसको जो है जिसमें वो उसके जो है दोनों पैर काट गया था।
So what happened? His both leg was cutted.
यहीं पर रहने लगे।
So he used to live here nearby.
खंडेलवाल के घर से।
So at the Khandelwal's house, he used to live here.
है?
So
और देखो वो
what
इतने
happened?
शराबी था,
He used to
उसके पैर
so
काट
much. He doesn't have two legs, but he used to take so much liquor, drink. So even in this corner, he used to give 2 hours, 3 hours. He used to abuse so much. He was making a noise so much.
है? कम से कम
Even
8:30 से लेकर के
From-
10:30 तक 2 घंटे
from
जो है
8:30 to 10:30 p.m. he used to speak continuously abusing there.
ये पर हम लोग सोना मुश्किल हो जाता
So it was really hard to sleep here.
है। और कि चिल्ला-
He was crying, he was weeping, he was abusing everybody. He was doing so much, making so much noise.
एक बार कोई रिक्शा वाला
One day what happened?
इसे में उठाया
There was a rickshaw wala took him in the rickshaw and left him in the bus stand.
फिर ऐसे कहने के तू आया ये सब लीला देखा मैंने।
So I saw this all leelas of that person.
आप उसमें थे आए नहीं?
Maybe you were that time or not.
हैं?
I was not there.
यहाँ पर
So here at this corner, he used to be there.
अनिल बाबू उसी घर में खड़े थे।
And the Khalnidwal has bought this house
हैं? पीछे जाए ना?
behind our mutt.
हैं? और उसे ही अच्छा। तो इसमें तो मैंने
So in this way, what I mean to say means
ये
that Dundakari, Dundari,
धुंधकारी रात 12-1 बजे
at the midnight 12 or 1 a.m. he used to drink liquor and he was making a noise and everyone abusing. He used to beat his mother too. Very nice day. He used to beat his mother Dundali. Very nice because father has went away. He has given to money to you. Please give me the money now.
उसके माँ बोले धुंध बिल्कुल मेरे पास
Dundali said, I don't have money. Whatever I had, you have taken away. Now, what I don't have anything.
माँ के इतने
Then that's why he started weeping his mother. And what happened? Then Dundali died. So what happened at last? Dundali died.
हैं? मर गई उसके माँ। बेटे ने मार दिया। बेटे ने मारा पिटाई किया।
So Dundali died. Huh? No, no, no. She was big.
अभी धुंधकारी
But he was beating him. Now what happened? Dundkari was alone at home. Mother has gone, mother has died, father and big brother went away. So what happened? Because he doesn't have any money. Now what to do?
चोरी करना
Now he started thieving.
है और घर में 5 वेश्या को रख दिया।
So he put five prostitute in the house.
चोरी डकैती करके जो कुछ लाया
So whatever he used to take after stealing or thieving.
है
Yes.
अब तो बिल्कुल फेमस डकैत
Now he has become a very famous dacoit.
है। एक दिन
One day what happened?
राजकोष से, राजा की राजकोष से चिल्लर।
So from the Rajkosh treasures house, treasures of the king, she has
विश्राम को दिया।
so he has taken a lot. He had theft a lot of money, and he gave to
जिन्हें जहरत है
that prostitute.
राजा के लोग तो जरूर आ जाएंगे पुलिस
And the prostitute was thinking that
इसको तो जेब में ठूस देंगे और साथ ही साथ
this money belongs to the Raja, the king. So the soldiers of the king will come.
क्या किया
So what to do now? So they were thinking now because this is very valuable money.
क्या करें
So what to do now?
क्या की
So what they did?
सारी देती
So the 5 prostitute
धुंधु करके क्या मुंह में जो कपड़ा बांध
they tied the cloth on the mouth of Dundakari and tied his hand and leg, and they started beating Dundakari. Die. Still he was not died that time.
बेहोश तो हो गया
He was fainted,
तो आयुष के धड़कन चल
but still they saw that he is alive now. What to do now?
जल्दी का काम को समाप्त करना है तो प्रभात हो जाए
So
राजा के लोग आएंगे पुलिस
in the morning the police or Raja's soldier, the king's soldier will come here. So what they did?
आपको एक जल्दी लकड़ी को
They put a fire stick
जल्दी लकड़ी को देखी धुंधु करके मुंह में घुसाया।
and put in the mouth of the Dundakari,
और घुसाने से
and
अंत में धुंधुकारी
at least Dundakari left body.
मर गया
He died.
कौन मर गया
The prostitute killed the Dundakari.
मार के हमने क्या
When Dundakari died, they went away.
पांच वैसा कि उसके
So they-
शरीर के ना शरीर
So what they did? All the Vaishyas, all the prostitute, there was a well, very very old well. They put,
और डाल करके पड़ा एक
they fall the Dundakari on that bell, and covered with the
पांच वैसा ने बड़ा
stone, big stone. They put a big stone and covered that well in that stone.
पांच वैसा ने किया
So at the night, all the prostitute ran away with taking all the money.
इसमें पता नहीं
So nobody knows aware about these things, what is happening.
लोग जानते हैं शराब ये कहां चले गए पागल
So people were thinking he was a drinker, he was an alcoholic. So that's why he maybe went away somewhere.
किंतु ऐसे आत्महत्या करके मरने से इस प्रकार अपघात से मरने से उनके क्या हुई
So what happened?
प्रेत प्राप्त हुई
So after getting like this, after dying like this, he became the Pret Yoni. He became ghost, and he stayed at the home, at that home.
उस घर में भूत होकर के
So he stayed in that home.
रात में की शाम
And
जहाँ
what
बाबू
happened?
ने देखा,
He was teasing to all the villagers, peoples.
डरा तो नहीं ना?
Ghost always used to fear the people, so every villagers was getting fear. So that times somewhere it's sometime at the night somewhere sometimes at the night if he is going somewhere. So what happened? He's teasing the people, he's fearing the people, and the like ha 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 ha. So whatever the people were fearing, oh my god, the ghost.
कोई दूसरे के घर पर जो है
So sometimes he used to enter the house, he throw the stones to,
शरीर नहीं दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा है।
because nobody was seeing the body but getting the stone at the house. So they were all were thinking where it is coming from.
धारण कर लेते, जो भैंसे को धारण कर लेते हैं, वो भी आग के गोले के भांति उतार हैं। भूत ऐसे
So he was teasing all the way to the villagers because he was very cruel body, cruel ghost.
देखो ऐसे देख करके गांव
So
वाले
seeing them,
ने
what
भी
happened? All the villagers left their houses.
एक-एक करके गांव
One by
वाले
one, they are leaving their houses. They thought, no, we won't live here because this ghost will tease us.
कुछ गांव वाले तांत्रिक वांत्रिक लेकर के विचार करने लगे।
Some villagers used to take the tantric and the people who knows mantras,
तो अब सारे
who
गांव
call the
वाले
ghost remover.
वो अपने घर मकान छोड़ करके
So one by one they were leaving their houses and going away from their villages, because every village, all the villages became very scary. Nobody was living there.
आसपास में आत्मदेव ब्राह्मण की घर के आसपास में सारे लोग क्या गया?
So near the Atmadev house, everybody is gone away from there, went away.
हाँ बिल्कुल
So
सन्नाटा।
all there was a sannata, like nobody was there. It's scary. It was like a scary.
इधर
So what happened? Gokarn here.
तीर्थ आदि
So after returning back from the pilgrimages, he returned back.
भगवत भजन करते करते चले गए।
So his father Atmadev has performed Vajan Sadhan. He left their body. So in Gokarn, he was visiting all the pilgrimages and returned back at that villages.
चलो अपने गांव में अपने
So he was thinking that okay, let's come back for the house to the house.
सन्नाटा।
So when he sees this is scary, nobody was there. It's very isolated.
उन्होंने क्या की?
Nobody was staying there.
घर के विश्राम पे बाहर ही तकिया पड़ा हुआ था।
So there was a bed at the house. So he was staying there. He was lying there. He took a rest.
रात में देखा
Whole night what he saw. So somebody is holding his bed and lifting it up.
जाने लगे।
So
ऊपर में समझ गए।
and Gokarn thought, what is happening here? Maybe somebody is ghost here. He was not aware that he is doing by his brother. And no, the villagers was ever. That was isolated place. So what he think? Oh, what is happening here?
ऊपर में विचार करने लगे।
So Gokarn was thinking, maybe there is a ghost.
वो भी जोर जोर से रोने लगे।
And sometimes that ghost was crying, joking, laughing, crying.
जोर जोर से
He was.
रोने लगे चिल्लाने। कभी आकर के उनके पास आकर रोना।
Sometimes that ghost comes to the Gokarn and crying there,
वो तो देख औषधि है, उससे नहीं दिखानी।
because he was not able to see, because it's just a body. There was no body. So he was just feeling these things.
ऊपर में कहने लगे,
So what happened at the time? Gokarn said that, who are you?
अपने स्वरूप में आ जाओ।
Please come into your form.
मुझे बताओ।
Tell me, who are you? What is happening with you? What's wrong with you? Then Dundakari said,
मेरे भाई
oh my brother Gokarn,
सुनो।
listen to me.
फिर चली जाओ।
I have got the Pret Yoni.
सारे अपने कहानी में
And he told the whole story of his, that how he got died. Everything he told.
मुझे फिर तुमसे तुम
So please,
है।
so how can get relief with this Pret Yoni? He was asking this.
गोकर्ण ने निकेती अनेक तीर्थ में
So for them,
प्रार्थना दी है।
Gokarn did so many Shraddha and many things to Gaya and everywhere. Every pilgrimages went away and did the so good deeds there. But still, he was not, get the relief from this Pret Yoni. No.
ऐसे महान पापी कैसे
He
महान
alone was going everywhere to the pilgrimage. Yes. No. After getting instruction, when he met with each other, like he Dundakari and Gokarn met. So after that, Dundakari went everywhere, every pilgrimage.
फिर गोकर्ण ने सूर्य देव की प्रार्थना की।
So Gokarna pray
सूर्य देव
to
ने कहा,
everybody, and the Suryadev said,
"एक काम करो,
do one thing.
तुम्हारे भाई की उद्धार करो।
So for your welfare of your brother,
भागवत कथा
you should do Bhagavad Katha. You should do Bhagavad Katha for 7 days.
जिसके पश्चात गोकर्ण
Suryadev said.
7 दिन जो है
Suryadev said, please do one thing within 7 days.
भागवत पारायण करने का।
After doing this Bhagavad Parayan, the Bhagavad Sapta,
और अपने भाई को मंत्रीकृत करके कान को बांस
so there was a bamboo which had the 7 tied, 7 notes.
और ये बांस के कान
So one by day, one after passing one day, the notes of these 7 bamboos was,
और साक्षात
opening.
दिव्य विमान
So after 7 days, what happened? There was a chariot, the Divya chariot came, and Dundukari seated on that, and he got the transcendental body. And after doing the parikrama of Bhagavatam,
और अंत में
and at least
वह
he
दिव्य विमान में बैठ करके
sitting on the Divya Viman, the transcendental chariot, he sit on that and he went away. Everybody seen that.
सभी श्रोता लोग कहने लगे
All the shrotas, all the listeners was said, we have also listened.
तुम्हारे भाई
Why only your brother went away? Got this fruit that he went in the transcendental chariot and he went away to the Bhagavad Dham. So why it is not for us? We also listening. We were also. Then the Gokarna said, "Loko, Shravana
मनन तो केवल श्रवण करके
there is no fruit of Shravana only. You cannot get the fruit by listening only.
क्या करना चाहिए
After listening, you have to smaran. They remember
स्मरण करना
smaran.
है जहाँ पर कथा सुनी हुई कथा को वहीं पर
छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. You never, wherever you live, listen Hari Katha and leave that Katha there. No, after hearing the Hari Katha, you should remember. So Dundukari, what he did, he was listening Hari Katha and he was remembering that pastimes.
श्रवणे तो नहीं तो फलम
That's why it is saying in the Bhagavatam.
केवल श्रवण
There
के
is,
द्वारा फल
you cannot get the fruit of just listening. You have to implement that too. Smaran, this remember.
तो इस प्रकार
So in this way,
भागवत की महत्व
he told the glories of the Bhagavat.
है कौन
अब तो वो चला गया.
वो वैकुंठ भगवान के धाम चले
He has went to Vaikuntha Dham. After hearing the Bhagavad Katha, what is the fruit of hearing Bhagavad Katha? That he got the transcendental form. He got the transcendental form.
मूर्ति धारण करके वो कहाँ चले गए
He went to Vaikuntha Dham.
भागवत कथा श्रवण की महत्व
This is the fruit of hearing Bhagavad Katha.
जिसके अनेक तीर्थ स्थल पर पिंडदान
Who was doing after getting after doing so much good deeds in the pilgrimages and doing the Pindadan, so it happens only by just listening the Bhagavad Katha. The same fruit is listening the Bhagavad Katha.
मूल विषय क्या था
So what my subject here, Utkantha, the eagerness. Just I was given an example. All the material peoples, they want to the material things for sense enjoyments. They are so much eager. Somebody is poor, they are so much eager towards the money. Who doesn't have son, they are too much eager towards son.
शादी तो किया
Who doesn't got married, they are too much eager towards wife. So
इसमें पुत्र के लिए क्या करते हैं वो
So who doesn't have son after getting married? So they are so much eager towards
ठीक
son.
उसी भगवान के प्रति हमारे उत्कंठा होती
So in this way, we must have the eagerness towards Bhagwan.
है कहते हैं विषय में प्रति में आचरण हमार सही मतलब किसी को चरण जाति अभिक्रम विशेष अनुपाई संसार में विषय लोग
In this world, material person, in this material world, these material peoples, they always attracted toward. They have so much eagerness toward us, toward the sense enjoyments. In this way, we must have the eagerness. Who is performing bhajan and sadhan, they must have the same eagerness towards Bhagwan feet. This is called the eagerness. We must have the eagerness like this. That's why I was given an example. Dundukari and Gokarna. I told you the story of Dundukari and Gokarna. This is eagerness of Sat Vishaya. So what is the example? The Vrittasur.
वित्रासुर के
This is an example of Vrittasur for eagerness of Bhagwan.
चित्रकेतु महाराज वित्रासुर के जन्म लिया।
So when Chitraketu Maharaj got the birth in the form of Vrittasur,
वित्रासुर की कथा
so
इसका कथा पसंद
I will tell you about the Vrittasur Katha.
है। वित्रासुर की बताएंगे बहुत सुंदर।
There is a beautiful story of Vrittasur
विषय की
Katha.
कथा सुनाएंगे।
First I told you the Vishay Katha. So how the subject material people, they are so much eager towards material things. So how Vrittasur was so much eager towards.
अच्छा तुलसी की कथा नहीं।
1 घंटा 30 मिनट हो गए.
ये कहता है विषय में हमारे जैसी उत्कंठा रहता है।
So in the way we have so much eagerness towards the Vishay, the same eagerness we must have towards Bhagwan. Jai Ho. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur is writing here. So here is an example is giving of Vrittasur. In fact, Vrittasur, I will tell you the story tomorrow. The Chitraketu Upakhyan and Vrittasur. The shlok of Vrittasur was very nice. Indra's hand was crumpling, shivering. Still the Vrittasur, so the hand and leg and everything was cut by the Vrittasur, but still he was so much, he was shivering, but still he has cut it. But still he was, Jeev Goswami Pad is writing in the context. It is saying that Bhagavad is like that. There is an example of Vrittasur and Amrish Maharaj. Vrittasur Upakhyan, what is the speciality is there? So I told you about the Shula. Ajata Pakshitva Madhurathanvanjita Kudurukshetre. Vama. There is an indication of Parikya Gopi Bhav. Aha, Adbhut. So our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada Tikakar has described that. So by the Vrittasur Upakhyan in the shloka, they are giving the Braj Gopi Bhav. And the Braj, especially in the Braj Gopi Bhav's Parikya Bhav, they are indicating here. Parikya Gopi Bhav is indicating, information is here. How beautiful shlok is this? There are 4 shlokas of Vrittasur, but this one is especially is very special. I will tell you about this tomorrow. There is a Tattva Siddhant here. How we get this kinds of eagerness in our heart. Just like there was a word is very neophyte, like a child. He has just come out from the egg. There is a wind is flowing and he has fallen down, and he is just coming out from the egg, and he is he is chirping for the food. He is so much little, and the mother has gone for searching food. So in the absence of mother, the child is doing chi for food. So there are for the two reasons. The little child used to say chi first for he is hungry, and the second is. And then so another pakshi, another words is not going to kill them. That's why they have fear in his heart. My mother is not there. So they are maybe another words come and kill them. So they have a fear, this kinds of fear in their heart. So that's why they are doing chi 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 chi.
और मात्र माता माँ के लिए वो उत्कंठित हो रही है।
And they are, you know, they are doing chi 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 for mother because they are hungry and waiting for their mother. When my mother will come.
एक उदाहरण। दूसरी क्या है?
And the second one is
मातरं खाता। भक्त जथा तन्नं जथा भक्तता उदाहरण है। जैसे
just like
सारा दिन बछड़े को क्या करते हैं? माँ से अलग करके रखा है।
if you keep away the calves from the cow
और दूध दोहन के समय
and at the time of taking milk,
क्या करते हैं?
what they do?
बछड़ा को खोल दिया जाता है।
The calves will open and it goes to the mother.
सारा दिन तो बंधा हुआ था, किंतु आप दूध दोहन के समय
At the time when we are taking the cow milks, like, you know, we are taking the cow milk. So at that time what we do, we always leave the calves to the mother, to the cows. Yes, near mother. So he has so much eagerness to sucking the breast of mother. So he was so much shivering that time. He was so much trembling. So when we will get this kinds of bhava. And the third example is just like a lover, beloved. The Priya Priyatam, the boyfriend girlfriend, they have so much eagerness for meeting each other. Priya Priyatam means husband and wife, soulmates also. But what our Vishwanath Chakravarti is saying here, Priya Priyatam, boyfriend girlfriend, lover and beloved. They are saying for them, not for husband wife. So how they have eagerness to meet each other. They are so much eager to meet each other, and they have so much kinds of thoughts in their minds for meeting each other. In the scripture it is said, where there is a love is condensed form, becoming the condensed form, in that time there are many kinds of thoughts come into mind. Just like if your child going to school, so anyhow, my mobile is going to discharge.
और अनेक प्रकार की दुश्चिंता आता है। क्या दुश्चिंता? क्या कार एक्सीडेंट हो गया है? ये लगता है। अथवा मेरे बच्चे का बीमार हो गया, वो तो कुछ नहीं है, स्कूल तो ठीक 5 बजे छुट्टी हो गई और अपने बच्चा मानो अपने बच्चों के साथ।
When your child goes to school, so if he is alone, so you always think, and the child is not, it's not returned back, so you are so much thinking about that what is happening with my child. He has not come back yet. He is totally secure, he is totally bad, but still we have so much thoughts in our, if he is getting little bit, so we get so much thoughts in our minds that what is happening, what happened to my child, he hasn't come back. So we have so much bad thoughts in our mind. In the same way, lover and beloved, when they wanted to meet each other, so they were so much eager to meet each other. They have so much bad thoughts in their minds. So how they live alone at the home, then affair. They don't tell to anybody that I have loved that girl or that boy. Just like when a lady has a love for another person, so she do all the work in the house very properly. She never let the people know that I have love and affection towards another husband, another Purush, another person. So everybody thinks that, oh, how beautiful she is doing work. So in the same way, they have so much eagerness to meet each other. They always always get this kinds of pleasure by mind. Every time they are thinking like that when we will want meet.
धीरे धीरे दरवाजा खोल करके निकल जाएंगे और उन्हीं के साथ मिलेंगे। बोलो वृंदावन
Bihari Lal ki jai. They are thinking that when everybody will sleep and we will go for meeting. So they have these kinds of thoughts in their minds and eagerness how we can meet. This is called the Summit Kunda.
एक दूसरे की श्रेष्ठता नहीं बताएंगे हम इसमें तीन उदाहरण कीजिए क्यों
They are
एक उदाहरण में हो जाते
they have given the three example. Why they have given the three example?
पक्षी
Pakshi,
उदाहरण दिया
there is a word example,
उदाहरण किसने दिया
cow example,
उदाहरण दिया
and second loved
उदाहरण किसने दिया
lover and beloved.
प्रिय प्रियतम के लिए तो प्रिय प्रियतम के लिए तो सर्वोत्तम है
So they have given the three example. The topmost is lover and lover. Why he has given the bird example? Why they giving the cow's example? So they are giving the hierarchy that one is higher than the second one. The second one is higher than the third one. This one. So there are many tattva siddhants are there. We will discuss tomorrow. I will tell you tomorrow very nicely.
पक्षी में क्यों नहीं पक्षी सावक जो है
Pakshi Sav, the little bird who was doing chichi, he is thinking about his mother. So Mitra is saying that this is not the perfect example for me. And the calf's example is not the complete perfection example for me. The Priyatam, the beloved and beloved example is perfect for me. And both have eagerness. Both first and second example have the eagerness, but it is not the perfect example for eagerness. And the birds and the calves, they have the eagerness. So they have the eagerness to meet their mother. It is a little bit. It's not the perfect. So there is a selfishness in that. And the Priyata Pritam, the example is given. This is the Braj Gopis Katha is there. The Braj Gopis Bhava, social Bhavana is not there. So they are meeting for the Govind the pleasure. Radha and other gopis are trying to meet the Govind just because of Govind. Because they don't have the selfishness there. They are doing everything for Krishna's pleasure. If I speak, then I have to speak whole day. So he is giving the great example of Priya Pritam. First they have to establish. Oh, bhaiya, bottle. So there are three kinds of rati. Hey Bhagwan. Sagar rati. No, it's not cool. It's okay. So there is Sadhana money, Divya money, Vastu money. There are three kinds of money. There are many stages of like that. Tomorrow we will describe. Okay, Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. I was thinking that I should leave it very early. Now 7:30 is gone. Lo, पौने 2 घंटे की कथा. पौने 2 घंटे हे भगवान. अरे कृष्ण आइते चतुर्मुख तो करो.